time ago.
Who'd have thunk it? And I guess what we're doing now is trying to work out scale. So we're trying to work out how much of the view we can see we're going to include, how much of it we're going to ignore.
It's going to go down the Swanee, yes.
And how much we're going to concertina. I've got a view, a building that I'd like to draw and a tree I'd like to draw with a big gap in between.
Yes.
So I'm going to concertina.
Yes.
That
Get rid of the gap.
The gap.
Yeah, ditto.
Because otherwise it's just a big gap, big bit of nothing in the middle of the painting. Yeah. You do have a few minutes to play with shaping the clouds when it's this cold.
You've got to be grateful for small mercies, haven't you?
It's a very small mercy.
Oh, listen to the wind.
Yeah, I'm glad we're listening to it, not sitting in it.
Crikey. So what are you doing now then?
I'm doing some water. What I've done is I put the masts in, then I've left a little lumpy white bit, which is going to be where all the boats are.
Yeah.
And then I'm putting the water around it, and then I'll come and put a couple of shadows. I've got this trick about painting boats when there's lots of them. And it's, if you paint it as one thing, instead of 30 boats, it's one row of boats. So you kind of do the silhouette of the whole lot, top and bottom. And then just put some boaty things in there. It's all a bit of a con, but you don't have to paint everything.
You have to show us, yes, when you're working.
Just putting in the main trunks of this oak tree, and then it's a case of deciding how much to put in, because when doing these big trees, less is more often. And it's tempting to kind of go, well, I know there's 6,000 branches, but my brush isn't fine enough to put 6,000 branches in. So I'm just trying to put another layer on, just define those shapes and shadows a little bit. Hanging off the edge of your picture, isn't it? It's like the pub is a bit hanging off the edge of my picture, but in a different direction. You can't really fit it all in from this angle, can you?